Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new moon rabbit pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw the left eye with a curve down, and then a curve out to the left to form a half circle. Now let's move over to the right and draw the other eye with a circle here. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, in between the eyes, let's draw the nose with a rounded triangle shape. And now let's draw 3 whiskers on either side. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start above the left eye and let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and back down, stopping here. Now let's move back over underneath the left eye and let's draw a curve down and back up to close it off. Next, let's hop up above the eyes. In between, let's draw a moon shape. Now let's move up to the top of the head and draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and draw a teardrop shape like this. And then above it, let's draw another one out to the left and back in. One more on top, bringing it down to the head. And one last large one on top like this. Next, let's erase those overlapping lines inside. And that's it for the hair. Next, let's move up and draw the ears. Let's start above the ear and let's draw a curve up and back down on the left. And then around this curve, let's draw another one in the same way. Now let's move over and draw the right ear. Next to the hair, let's draw a curve up. And then let's curve it back down into the side of the head. And then let's follow that same curve underneath. And then let's connect them at the bottom with a small curve. And lastly, let's erase that overlapping line inside on the bottom right. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down. Then let's bring it over to the right and back up. Now let's move up next to the right side of the head and draw one more curve to close it off. Next, let's add the tail on the top right. Let's draw a curve up and then bring it back down. Next, let's move down and add the feet. Let's start underneath the body on the left, and let's draw a curve up and back down, and then close it off at the bottom. Now let's add another foot in the same way on the right, but a little bit lower. Now let's draw the third foot behind. Let's start above and draw a small curve up, then a curve down on the right, and back in. And now let's draw the last foot on the right in the same way. And that's it for this cute moon rabbit pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!